So how do we create motivation? How do we get them actually motivated? Now, I know earlier on there was a speaker, and the speaker talked about like, hey, you need to really make sure that you create the workplace to be a great environment, and the person is right. Folks, it ain't the effing coffee machine, okay? It's not. I see all this, oh, we have to have a coffee machine. Like, dude, like, you think you're gonna get somebody cool because you got a cool coffee machine? Love it, coffee machine. It's a checkbox. Move on, okay? No. Okay, well, you know what we have? We have something better. We have gaming consoles. We have a pool table, whatever it is that you offer, right? Beer bar, whatever in the back. We got stuff. Okay, let me tell you the second thing. Giving entertainment to the people and then after you put them on caffeine, probably not the best thing you can do if you think of the combination there for a second. They're not there to play games. Many people complain to me sometimes. They say like, oh, I feel like the team that we're having is just here because they think it's Starbucks. Well, you offer them coffee and you offer them a gaming, like what do you think they're gonna do? Then, this whole thing about open workplaces. Oh, so cool. Look at how cool we have an industrial area with open tools. Yes, but nobody can focus on doing their job anymore because they're playing games and they're hyped on coffee right now. These open workplaces are not necessarily what we have seen. Now, if you want to try that whole thing and go over that full same 2 or 3 years of pain that we went through, go at it. We just know that professionals want to work in a professional environment. And yes, there needs to be a coffee like any other drink, and that would be great. And if you want to play games and you want to socialize, also great. But it is a place to work, not a place to hang out, drink coffee, and socialize with each other. If you promote that, and you expose that to the young people that you're hiring, then that's what you're gonna get. Instead, what we need to do, if you really listen carefully, we look and we see the chats, then this is what they want. What young people experience is they want to have professional growth over a period of time. Growth. Now, in that growth, when they join your company, in that first period, you know what? Growth is enormous. The first 3 months, I love it. Everybody new, learning new things. This is so exciting. After that first period, in that second period, well, it's still exciting, but I'm learning a bit less. And in the third period and so on, you know, like this curve shows, it bows out. Pretty normal. You can't be exciting all the time, right? Now, in this picture, your company may also go through growth. And from you presenting every month, every quarter, every week, how good you're doing, that growth that they see, perceived value, is that they go, your company keeps doing great and keeps doing great. And then somewhere at some point in time, your company is doing still great and on that growth trajectory. And they look at themselves and like, well, I'm not doing as great as everybody else is. It doesn't feel like I can continue to grow. This particular point in time, think of you of a mental number. What do you think in point in time? Where does this marker think? Think of that approximately what that is. It's 6 to 9 months. We know in the US currently, average job retention time is 18 months. We're talking about 5 career changes in a period of about 15 years, 12 to 15 years. We're talking about a career change. I'm not talking about a promotion. I'm talking about from being a carpenter to being a dentist. Every 5-year career changes. What we see down here is if I am not careful, I just trained the new person on the team or whatever I did. 9 months into it, that person could go somewhere else. As you know, you have no productivity, probably for that first 9 months. So this is not what I'm telling you next. It's not a nice to have. Maybe we should consider it. If you don't, what I'm saying next, if you don't have that, you're going to have a problem. That problem is as follows. Right here, you need to do something. And what you need to do is what's called a micro-promotion. Now, a micro-promotion is not a promotion where you give them a brand new title and lots of money. That's not what they're asking for. What they're asking for is, Jacco, I've been playing Call of Duty for the past 9 months at one level. Can I please go to the next level? Because I'm sick and tired of playing at this level. I want my golden gun, as if my son plays games, right? I want my golden gun. I want to move out of. What I want, if a new person joins the company, that they're not in the exact same stage where I am after 9 months. That is what they want to know. Now, as I presented this to a very hip company in Los Angeles, they go like, yes, but we gave them money. And we go like, yeah, they're not motivated by money. Yes, it was really weird. She said, I gave her a promotion, $20,000 a year, and all she cared was her title difference. I go like, yes. You gave money to a person who was not financially motivated, but you gave no growth. You gave the same title. They want to see growth. Everybody wants to see growth. And I'm not talking about delta, big steps. I'm talking about small steps. Instead of being SDR, senior SDR. Instead of being account manager, being an account executive. Show that there's progress.